Delhi blast, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has warned the perpetrators that they will face justice. He says all those responsible will be held fully accountable for the attack. So Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has issued a strong warning. He says perpetrators will be brought to justice, they will be held accountable, and that all angles related to the blast are being investigated. All angles are being looked into by the officials who are involved in the investigation. We're getting you all the details related to the link to the Faridabad module, the Jaish-e-Mohammed module, Dr. Umar, who is absconding, whether he was the same person driving the I-20 car in the blast. All of that remains to be seen and is under investigation. A DNA test is also going to be carried out. Meanwhile, listen into the Raksha Mantri.
I extend my heartfelt condolences to all those who lost their lives in the tragic incident that occurred in Delhi yesterday. I pray to God to grant strength and solace to the bereaved families in this hour of deep grief. From this platform, I wish to assure my citizens that the country's leading investigative agencies are conducting a swift and thorough inquiry into the incident. The findings of the investigation will soon be made public. I want to formally assure the nation that those responsible for this tragedy will be brought to the justice and will not be spared under any circumstances. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to be.
All right, so you heard Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh, who has issued a strong statement, a strong warning to the perpetrators. Says perpetrators will be brought to justice, they will be held accountable. And there are high-level meetings that are currently underway. Pragya is joining us with more details on one such meeting, which is underway at the Home Minister's residence.
Absolutely, Swati, and assurance has come from Rajnath Singh, and also Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah has also spoken about this last evening, where they said that investigation will be concluded very soon and it will be made public also. You know, compared to the previous blast that Delhi had seen, in fact, there used to be some kind of investigation for years, and there will be no one apprehended. But this time the government said that policy has changed. We will ensure that the public will know who perpetrated this attack, and we will also catch hold of them and deliver justice. And this is exactly what the government seems to be doing right now. There is back-to-back high-powered committee meetings, and in fact, Mr. Amit Shah is also taking the review meeting of the security. As far as the top officials are concerned, they are all present in the meeting. DG NIA and in fact DGP Kashmir is also virtually joined this meeting. They are all probing all angles of this particular blast, and in fact not just that, there are other inputs also that we have gathered information that there are other inputs that are being discussed right now in this particular meeting. Apart from that, everyone has come with their own initial investigation, and in fact CCTV footage has also been combed. That is why they know that the route of the car in which the blast took place, and this is why all angles are being probed. While there are investigation agencies that are doing their job, Union Home Minister has taken a charge of this particular investigation, in the sense that he is also ensuring that he is kept in loop on each and every input that they get, and each and every investigation. He himself is very involved in this particular investigation, and he is also ensuring, like he also said yesterday, like Rajnath Singh also just now said, that this will be made public soon.
All right, Pragya, stay on with us.